Hi, welcome back to episode 2. To carry on from episode 1, this is to cover off what a mortgage broker should be doing for you and why you should be using one. Firstly, if you're new to the channel, my name's Glen. I'm a property investor and a qualified mortgage broker. Thank you for watching the channel. If it's something you like and would like to follow, don't forget to send us a like or click that subscribe button. Okay, so you've seen your mortgage broker for the first time, you've chosen them, which is great. Now what should they be doing for you? Well, firstly, you need to know what your budget is. Buying a house is a very emotional knee-jerk reaction. You always set yourself up to, I'm going to be very strict with what I'm going to look at, and then you find a property and you want it straight away. It's quite common. So you need to make sure that you are in the best possible financial position to get that property. And this is why you need a good mortgage broker working for you. Now, once the mortgage broker has got all of your information, they can get you something called a mortgage in principle. That is evidence to the vendor or the estate agent that you can afford to buy that property. You ideally need this before you even start going to view properties, so make sure you have that conversation with the broker. If they're any good at what they do, they should be telling you this straight from the off. Also, be very, very careful. Give yourself a limit. Don't go over that limit as much as you want to, because it could impact all the things like monthly mortgage payments, interest rates, and the amount of deposit that you need. The mortgage broker will then liaise with the estate agent and yourself and make sure that they can be the glue to put everything together. Once they have the address of the property that you want to buy, and they've received all the up-to-date information and documents from you, that would include passport and proof of ID, up-to-date documentation and proof of deposit, then they can proceed and do a full mortgage application for you. This then goes to the bank or building society. This will then go with a team of underwriters which will look at your case individually and will either approve or decline the mortgage application. Again, as a side note, it's really important to make sure that you are open and honest with your mortgage broker right from the start, because they can only work with the information that you give them. And if you don't do this transparently, it could waste everyone's time and potentially cost you money without getting the house. Next step is that you're going to need a solicitor. Again, ask your mortgage broker. They may have a really good relationship with a solicitor, which could be vital if there are any hiccups within the process of buying the house. But make sure that they are on the mortgage lender's panel. Again, your mortgage broker can advise you on that. Okay, so you get a phone call from the estate agent, and you've got the property. So it's all systems go. So again, it goes back to your mortgage broker being responsive to you as the client and acting straight away. But what's next? So in episode 3, I'm going to go through the next stages, what a mortgage broker should be doing for you, and the last bit of the mortgage transaction. Thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed the video, send us a like, it really helps. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, and see you in the next video.